Hi guys, Margaret here, aka Margarts, with my latest printable finds. I have a lot of baskets and containers and glass, some tin, candle holders, which seem to be a big thing, and even some veggies. So let's get cracking. Let's start with this guy. I'm assuming this is some sort of lamp, judging by the top of it. But isn't it beautiful? Look, it goes all the way around. I'm excited. I was so excited about this one. Okay, $3, Goodwill. I go on Wednesdays. It's senior discount day. And you know what I thought of today to mention also is that even if you're not a senior, that Goodwill still has like a membership rewards. So you get money back. You collect points and you get money back. So it's a great deal. Okay, so that's one. Okay, let's do this. This is a little tin tile. It's not like the real tiles are, decorative. This is decorative. So $2, 30% off. I think I can print either side, and you'll get two different effects. But I'm always excited when I come across one of these. Okay, the glass. I love this one. I think you can see what it looks like. It has almost like a wood grain pattern. $4, which is a lot for a small plate like this, but for 30% off. Okay, this was a good deal, $1.25. Another basket weave type of plate, so that's nice. Okay, this one is some sort of little flowers, so that'll be pretty. It was something different. I haven't seen one like this before, and it was only $1.25 with the 30% off, so you can't beat that. This one I was really excited about. I had seen it, and I went back today to get my 30% off of the $5, because $5 is a lot. This is another one of those ones with the backing, and I'm sure as soon as I wash it, this silver would come off. But what I really liked about it was the two different directions of the texture. It goes this way, and then it's circular. So I think this will be a fun one. Okay. That's our glass. Okay. Another candle holder. This seems to be a lot. I'm assuming a candle holder, right? $4, 30% off. I just thought it was a nice pattern, geometric. I like geos, and I think that'll be good. Well, here I got a couple of vegetables. I was away for the weekend, and these were given to me by my son's future brother-in-law, who has a fabulous garden and is a really good cook. He cooked these beans that he grew, and they were delicious. And so he gave me these as a parting gift. So can't wait to print them. Okay. All right, I got a lot of baskets. These are always nice. This is a good surface area. $2, 30% off. And I can print either side. This side, or for a little more texture, the bottom side. This one I liked. I was a little on the fence about it, but it was only $1.25, and with 30% off. And, I can use it to hold, paints or inks or what have you afterwards. And I like the little half moon shapes. Oh, nice, right? Okay. And then this is some kind of, I guess, caddy tool, pencils or what have you. But somebody already was drawing on it. But I thought this would be a nice little print, small, and it was $3 with 30% off. Okay, and last but not least for right now, another basket with a diamond pattern. You can print on the inside, which is a little more shiny and glossy, so the ink tends to be a little more slippery, or outside has a little more texture to it. So either way, I thought it's a nice, there you go, nice simple pattern, and it'll be good for piecing fabrics. $3, 30% off. Okay, we got a couple more things to add to the printable finds video this month before I put them all together and post it. So let's start with this. Just a drinking glass, $1. But look at the bottom, an X. So I thought that was unusual and fun. You can stamp it, do ghost printing, and I think it'd be really interesting. These little baskets were in my friend Bonnie's yard. She has the beautiful garden I always speak of, where we do our natural dyeing on Fridays. So nice little boxes with a kind of a stripe. You can see it like that. And then another one. So these should be interesting. So I snatched these out of her garden, and we'll make some beautiful prints. Another basket. Everyone knows I love baskets. This one's in pretty good shape, actually, too. You can't lose, because you can use them, after you're done printing them, in between printing them, to hold things. So obviously I have a lot of things to hold. $3, and I shop on Wednesdays for my discount, my 30% discount. So that's a nice pattern, I thought. So small, but as anybody who follows me knows, I use a lot of small pieces for piecing things together. So this I've had this for a while, but I was cleaning out some things and I found it. I've never printed it. I actually bought it new in a regular, maybe Bed Bath or something like that. A hot plate, but I bought it to print, but never did. So nice little hex pattern. That should be a good one. This one I also found. I wasn't sure if I posted this one. I didn't buy this month, but I wasn't sure if I know I haven't printed it yet, so I figured let me throw it in. $2, Goodwill, and I get 30% off. It's nice because I got two sides. I like, squares. I like all kinds of geos. Here we have like the outline, and here would be a very thin line for print. So this one should be really nice. Okay. Let me move this so you can see this. Isn't that beautiful? A nice leaf, big leaf, $2, and then 30% off of that. So I thought this would look really beautiful, pieced with my other like texture prints or what have you, or combined with actual real leaf prints. So, and here we have a trivet, $2, 30% off, and that should make a beautiful print. So, and this one I was excited about. I have a lot of grill pans. Not for cooking, obviously, but for printing. But this is the first one I've seen with little squares. So I thought this would be really awesome. So, okay, that's this month's finds. I'll put them all together and I'll post it. And until next month, happy printing.